Morning grooming kisses. They look so good in the morning light. Yeah. She groomed them. They're playing in the sunshine. It's all so cute. There was a golfer here, and they just didn't care. They let him do his thing. He turned around, took some pictures. He golfed, and these continued grooming while the mom did keep an eye, just in case. But that was so adorable. See how she looks? See? I mean, the sun is in their face. It's funny how she closes her eyes to the sun, but the kids, their eyes are wide open. But she closes her eyes. But look, look, look. She just gives a quick look to see if I'm safe. And I won't do anything silly. She's a mama after all. Thanks to these little ones, I learned so much about them. Where the kids, they exclusively feed on mother's milk for I think 4 weeks or something. Well, I wish I remembered what I read. But they're well taken care of, as you can see how involved she is. Feeding, grooming, loving, protecting, defending, I'm sure. And also a family means that a few females stay together. So it is such a nice way of growing up where you have your aunts around to play. These guys have an aunt with one eye, and the other day I saw them rolling around the grass with that aunt. I thought that was the mom, and then another photographer told me, yeah, that's the aunt. Go ahead, explore. It's like the brother's gone in. I have to go in and check what he's doing, just in case.